What's up everyone? So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how Amazon FBA works and how you can make money from it. Multiple people have messaged me asking for a video on how to start Amazon FBA for beginners, and so today we're going to be going over that step by step. I have a lot of current students that said that, hey look, I have a friend that's getting into Amazon. Before they start going full steam, they'd like you to start making more videos about it, and so we're going to be jumping into this step by step today. So if you are interested in making money online, or you're interested in making money from your home online, Amazon FBA may be a good option for you. Amazon FBA is not drop shipping. We're not finding products and we're advertising them and someone buys it and then we go and buy it and send it to the customer. We are buying products in bulk. We're buying large amounts of products to put our logo on and then sell on Amazon's website. And so today we're going to jump into the computer and I'm going to kind of show you the process of what it looks like step by step in order of what it looks like to be an Amazon FBA seller and to build a business selling products on Amazon and making money from it. So step one is going to be finding a product with proven demand. So what this means is you can't just sell anything on Amazon and have success. You want to find products that are profitable, that are making sales and that have proven demand. And so we're not looking for products that are just kind of what we want to sell and no one's searching for it, no one wants to buy it. We're not going to make money as Amazon sellers selling with our business on Amazon unless we sell products that have proven demand. And so we have a certain way that we go about looking for products, that would do different product research software and programs. What I like to use is a program called Jungle Scout, as well as a program called Viral Launch. And I'm put links to these programs down below where you can look into this, but what these tools do is they help you kind of filter what you're looking for so they're right in front of you, and then you have a bunch of different products that are already selling well that don't have too much competition so that we can select that product, buy it in bulk, and then sell it on Amazon. And so once we find our product that has proven demand, which is step one, the next step is to find a supplier to manufacture the product. And so what we're going to do is find a product manufacturer who can create our product for us, because we're not going to create it. We want to kind of get this product, we want a good quality product, but we want it to be created as cheap as possible. And so we find different suppliers that create the product as cheap as possible, and then we have them send it to the Amazon Fulfillment Center. Now, Amazon is obviously a very, very large company. It's all over the world. And many people have asked me, can you sell Amazon products? Can you sell have an Amazon business anywhere in the world? The answer is yes. You can operate a business, an Amazon selling business from anywhere in the world. So a lot of people ask that question, and that's the answer. You can have a business running and sell all over the world and with Amazon. But what we want to do is we want to send our products from the manufacturer. We want to ship them to Amazon's fulfillment center. And there's different fulfillment centers. Amazon will give you the address, and that's what we want to do. Is we don't have to hold our inventory. We don't want to put boxes of inventory in our house. We don't want to put boxes of inventory in our garage. We want to send that stuff to Amazon so that they can do step number 4, which is pack, fulfill, and ship the orders. So when we send our products to Amazon, they're already going to have labels on it, or Amazon can put a label on it. And when someone orders our product on Amazon's website, Amazon is going to package that, go pick that product and get it put together, and then send it to the customer. And we don't even have to touch it. The only time you're ever going to have to touch a product is if you order a sample. When you order a sample so you can inspect the quality of the product, that's when you're going to order the product. Other than that, Amazon's going to be holding it and sending it to your customer for you. You don't even have to do it. You can sell products from your living room, from your couch, from your bedroom if you want, in your pajamas, without having to actually go out and talk to people. You can run this whole business from your house, and that's the power of Amazon FBA. There's also no limit. You can make thousands and thousands of dollars per product per month selling on Amazon, and it can completely change your life. So once you have your products and it's kind of going and your whole business is operating, what you want to do is you want to reorder these products as they begin to sell out, and you want to maintain your listing. And so normally what I suggest for new Amazon sellers is right around it depends on the product that you're selling, but for the most part, 300 units is a good amount of product to order for your first order and send to Amazon. That's going to give you enough time to make some sales with your Amazon listing and then have enough time to reorder more products, because eventually you're going to sell out. You're only going to buy a certain amount of products and you're going to send it to Amazon's fulfillment center. But once those products are selling and you're selling them and they're selling out, you got to make sure that you get more inventory to Amazon's fulfillment center before it runs out. That's it. That's all you have to do. That's how people are crushing it and making money online, selling on Amazon. It's that simple. This is called private labeling products on Amazon. And if you'd like more information about this, I have a free ebook down below. If you click the ebook, it's going to show you the criteria that's really good for beginner Amazon sellers to help you find a product that's going to be relatively easy for you to start making a lot of money from. And so that's all I have to say in this video. Hope you enjoy it. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the thumbs up button if this was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.